Investing for beginners. 4 basic strategies to know. Now that you're familiar with your investment options, there are a few more critical things you need to know before your investing adventure gets underway. It's important for you to remember that risks are attached to all investments. This is the primary reason why you must be prepared ahead of time so that the risks can be minimized. Here are 4 pointers that can help you become a better investor. Before we get to any of that, please make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time we post a new video, since that's by far the best way to support the channel. Now that is out of the way, let's roll the tape. Number 1. Focus on investing in a diversified portfolio. There's an old saying in life, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This adage also applies to investing. Investing in a diversified portfolio is probably the best strategy you can rely on. What is a diversified portfolio? This is where your investment capital goes towards a wide range of assets. This includes different types of prime holdings and various issuers. Experienced investors are well known for investing in stocks, bonds, and real estate. This investment approach works extremely well for them, and it can produce positive results for you. You should also keep your eyes on exchange-traded funds and mutual funds. Both investment vehicles have a solid reputation for performing well for novice investors. Number 2. Set realistic goals for your investing endeavors. Unfortunately, some beginning investors begin without having goals in mind. It's vital for you to clarify your intentions and expectations. For example, you shouldn't invest in the stock market if you need to make a fast down payment on a new home. In this case, you should invest in a high-yield savings account or a CD. You should consider working with an experienced financial investor if you have long-term investment goals. They can show you the risks associated with each investment, and they can also help you make sound investing decisions. Number 3. Study the stock market. Do your due diligence on the assets that you're considering investing in. Check out the current events taking place in their respective industry and examine their historical performance. Number 4. Don't shy away from long-term investing. At the end of the day, you're investing for a sound future. The market will change every day. It's easy to withdraw your money from the market when you see a scary headline in the newspaper. However, you should exercise patience. The market will eventually correct itself. At the end of the day, you must sit tight and weather the storms. Your diversified portfolio will do well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon to be notified every time we post a new video. That's by far the best way to support the channel. See you in the next one!